Have you ever wondered why some people wake up full of energy while you can barely open your eyes? Today I'm going to tell you the secret. Sleeping well isn't just about spending hours in bed, but about preparing your body and mind to truly rest. Let me introduce you to Esteban and Marcel. Esteban is always tired. He relies on coffee and uncomfortable naps on the couch. Marcel, on the other hand, goes for a run in the morning, gets some sunlight, and has a relaxing routine before bed. What's the trick? It's not about sleeping more, but about sleeping better. The quality of your sleep is more important than the quantity. Exercising, getting natural light, and avoiding screens before bed are key. If you follow these tips, you'll wake up every day full of energy. Remember, it's not about how much you sleep, but how you sleep. Which tip are you going to try first? Tell me in the comments, give the video a thumbs up, and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next video.